Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chachi and we are in a different kind of location right now because I did have my surgery, if you can see. So this cutie patootie right here is gonna help me to do the unboxing for our Boxy Locks for December. So here you go.
December?
Yeah, it's December. So here you go. So this is our Boxy Locks. For all of you guys that does not know what a Boxycharm is, Boxycharm is a makeup subscription. This one is the locks. You're covering me. This one is the locks. This comes in every 3 months. And for our this month's theme is, what's this month's theme? It's gonna be bubbles and glitz. Here you go. Okay, pull out the product one by one.
Okay. First up is, I think, a makeup palette.
Open it.
I think it's called Hipdot.
Yeah. So show them the product. Open it. Open the eyeshadow. So Hipdot, that one retails for $30, and it's Cenote Press Eyeshadow Palette. So here you go. Open it up.
It's a blue. It's a blue family. It's the blue family.
So here's the color. It's mostly blue tones. So I'm going to try to do a try on. If not, I'll do it. I'll still do it whenever my feet feels better. I had a surgery yesterday, December 16. So we're gonna see. Hey, give it to me.
Okay.
We'll pull out the other product and show it to them.
Another product is this. It's called Temple Rub.
Let me see. Oh. Temple Rub.
Temple
Oh, it smells
Rub.
good. So what is that?
Ooh, it's like the mint.
Yeah.
Here it is.
How come I can see?
What just happened?
Oh, here. It's a lifestyle, the lifestyle company.
The thingy turned off.
100% what?
I thought something turned off.
The 100% natural calming temple. What more relaxing than lavender? The temple rub, of course, super blend of oils can help assist in relieving aches, stress, and anxiety. Oh, I need that. That's for me. It smells really, really good. So daddy can use this too.
Yeah.
And this one retails for $24. We'll get another product.
Okay. So we have this red bag.
That
it's
is
called Luke.
Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. No, that's not that one. That's a brushes. How much is that one? I can see my eyes. That is the Luxie Glitter and Gold Brush Set. That retails for $85. Let me see. Whoa, this one is so pretty. There you go. That retails for $85.
It has a lot of
Right
brushes.
there. Yeah, next 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 piece. And it's pretty and it's mine. Go get another product.
We have this. It's called Iconic. Made in, it says London on the bottom.
Yeah, it's Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. You need to open it. And that one retails for $55.
Oh. Ooh,
So
one.
from the premium box and for the Luxie box, we did get both boxes has a face palette. So here you go. This one retails for $55.
Okay.
What else? Hello.
Hi, what's going on? Ooh.
Ooh, it's okay.
Okay.
What is that?
Next up we have that. I cannot read that. That is like
Threesome. This is a, hold on. Go open it up.
here's what it is. Here we go.
What is that?
There's like 3 stuff in here. No wonder why it's called a threesome. Oh, what is this?
Yeah,
Have a card.
Rock and Cosmetic has Hot Mess Threesome Glitter
Three
Gel
shot
Pens. So, this is gel pens.
Nice. So this one is like a green
It's
one.
black glitter eye pen. This one is a black.
Okay. So this one's a black one.
Let me see. Open
Black
it up. I'm
one.
gonna put it in your eyes.
This one's a green one, and this one's like a purplish one. I
Which
think.
one do you want to try?
Black one.
The black?
What? It has tape on it.
I know. I'm trying to open it.
Give me it. I know how.
I got it. I got it from my mom.
Well, I need to cover my toes. Are my toes shoes? I hope not. Oh my god, she broke it, guys. Just kidding, guys.
Let me try. Let me try to do this to you, girl. Close your eyes.
What?
Go, let's just show them the shade. So show them the shade.
What's wrong with my
Just
eye?
watch.
What's wrong with my
Nothing. It looks pretty. Show them the swatch in your hands. So this one retails for $40. I don't see glitter though. It says glitter. Glitter gel pens. Do you see glitter? Huh? No, I don't see glitter in there. No, it's, you look pretty. So this is Avant, Glycolic, Mica, I don't know. So this is Avant Skincare Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. Do you know how much is this little one? It's $123 for this little bottle right here.
Oh, that pretty.
Yeah, you look pretty. So, yeah, this moisturizer is really expensive. Let me touch it. What does it do? The ideal remedy against time. This day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combined glycolic acid and mica. Let me try this one. Don't take it out, it looks pretty.
I do not look pretty. I look like I'm.
Oh, and it smells so good.
Ah,
No, this is for a moisturizer. They said. Yeah, moisturizer. And this one is Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So, what does this do? Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic. And this one also retails for $85. So, we have a pretty high value box. And this one, this is my, okay. So
this
show
is
them-
our beauty.
This
me.
one is the Beaut.Beautyco,
Do you open
the
it?
original Glam Smile Kit. Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes from binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe. And that one retails for $89.
That's why we broke.
I only paid $54 for all of this.
I'm sorry.
We get discount. We get a pretty good box. So there you go. So give me your phone. We're gonna total it out. So while she's opening that one, I'm gonna total the value of the box. And we'll see. I think we pretty have a high value box this month. Even on our premium box, we have a really high value on that one. So $55 for the Iconic London, $85 for the Sunday Riley, $30 for the Hipdot. Where am I? $85 for the Luxie glitter. And for this thing that she's playing around, it's $89. For the moisturizer, it's $123. $40 for those gel pens. And $24 for the calming hemp oil. So we have a total value of $531. And we only paid like $55 on that box. Is it a good deal? Guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so here you go, guys. I will link all the description down below. My feet, my ankle is dropping. I will link in the description down below the Boxycharm website. So if any of you guys do want to sign up, you can just click that description box and you'll see the link for the Boxycharm. So I hope you guys like this video. Even though I'm not glam, we gotta do this unboxing. So, because I got this box yesterday when I had my surgery, I got home. And, yes. So, my second day of surgery, we still got to do the unboxing. So, thank you guys for watching. Please don't like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Please, subscribe to my channel.
Please don't.
No, I didn't. Thank you guys. Let me do it again. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. I do have some free film makeup tutorials. I'm actually editing it right now, and I will still try to upload. So again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And she's already busy playing around with that thing. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that bell. Thank you. Bye. You want to say bye-bye to them?
Bye.
Okay, turn it on.
Bye.